Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this fourth tutorial of Arabic writing. In the first one we did just the alphabets, and the second tutorial what we joined two letter words using the joining up sheet, and then in the third tutorial we joined three letter words, and in the fourth one now we will try to join four letter words. So let's start. Bismillah. Okay, so these are the three words that I'm going to join: kha, lam, qaf, ka. This is the first word, four letter word. Shin, fa, ya, ain. This is the second word, and this is the third one. This first, second, third, fourth, it tells us that this kha is the first letter of the word, lam is the second, qaf is the third, kaf is the fourth, and this just reminds us that Arabic goes from right to the left. It's very important. Okay, right to the left. Okay, let's get rid of this. So let's join the first word. So kha is in the beginning of this word, and kaf is at the end. Anything in the middle, anything between these two will be regarded in the middle. So these two shapes we're going to copy from the middle column. This is from the beginning column, this is from the middle, this is from the middle, and this is from the end column. Okay, doesn't matter how many letters there are, the first letter will come from the beginning column, the last one will come from the end column, and the middle, whatever it is in the middle, it has to come from the middle column. Okay, so let's copy kha from the sheet. Kha in the beginning. This is how kha looks like in the beginning. Let's copy this shape. Let me mark this so we know which word are we doing. We are doing this word. Okay, this is how kha looks like in the beginning. The second letter is lam, and as we said, we have to copy it from the middle column. Let's see. This is lam, this is lam in the middle. Let's copy this. Let's do it again. Then qaf in the middle. This is how qaf looks like in the middle. Then kaf at the end. So this is kaf at the end. Okay, let's join it now. These are the joining points. Okay, this is the joining point of kaf from the right. This is the qaf on the left. This is the joining point of qaf on the right. This. These are the joining points. All these joining points should be on this line. Okay, so we take the letter up or down to make sure the joining points are aligned in this way. Now let's join it. So this is kha, the joining point of kha here, then the lam's joining points here, and then the qaf's joining point here, and then the kaf's joining point here. Okay, you see all the joining points are in one line. On one line, I can draw a line like this. See, they have to be in one line. So let's write it properly now. That's how it will look like. Let's go to the next word. So now we're going to be joining sheen, fa, ya, and ain. Sheen is in the beginning, ain is at the end, these two are in the middle. This is how sheen looks like in the beginning. Let's copy it. This is sheen. Let's see how fa looks like in the middle. This is how fa looks like in the middle. Then we copy ya from the middle column as well. So this is how ya looks like in the middle. Let's copy it. Now ain from the end column. This is how ain looks like at the end. Let's copy it. Something like this. Now these are the joining points. So this is the joining point of ain, this is the joining point of ya, and these are the joining points of fa. This is the joining point of sheen. We need to make sure all of them are on the same line. Let me draw a line, and then we will try to bring all of them in one line. Let's say this is a line. So sheen, fa, see these two are on one line, then ya, then ain. Ain is a bit high, so what we do, we bring it down. We bring it down so that the joining point is in line with this one. So we start from here, and then ain. Okay, now let's write it properly. Let's cover these gaps and then write it properly. Sheen, fa, ya, ain. That's how we will join this word. Let's go to the next one. So now we will be joining this word. Seen, mim, ain, and ta. Seen is in the beginning of the word and ta is at the end. Mim and ain are in the middle. So we copy the seen from the beginning column. Let's do it. This is how seen looks like in the beginning. Seen. The next letter is mim. This one we have to copy from the middle column. So this is how mim looks like in the middle. Then is ain. Ain has to be copied from the middle column as well, because it's not at the end and it's not at the beginning, so it's in the middle. This is how ain looks like. Let's copy it in the middle. Then the last letter is ta. Ta is at the end. Let's copy the end shape of ta. So this is the end shape of ta, this one. Let's copy it. You have to make sure all these joining points, these are the joining points, yeah, all of them have to be all of them have to be in the same line. Okay, they have to be aligned this way. Let's draw our line to make sure all the joining points are in one line. Seen, ain, and ta. So we put all the joining points in the same line. Okay, let's write it properly now. Sin, ain, and ta. So this is the final word. So we are done with the 4-letter word. Okay, inshallah in next tutorial we're going to do those special letters like alif, waw, dal, dhal, ra, za. We have not used them yet, if you have noticed. So what we're going to do, because they've got special rules, so what we're going to do, we're going to use them and join the letters. So until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.